We've arrived at 34th Street / Herald Square Station. It's a 6-minute walk from there. We're above ground. Macy's is right in front of us.
What an amazing person!
Let's walk towards Fifth Avenue from here, heading east.
We're on Fifth Avenue!
Wow, the Empire State Building is close. Is this street Fifth Avenue? There are brand name stores lined up everywhere. The shop is on 400, so it's a little further north.
Maybe it's that tall building?
Ah, that's it! The Langham Place Hotel. It's in that building. We've arrived at the building. The entrance has a very luxurious atmosphere.
We've entered the lobby. It looks like the restaurant is on the second floor. Let's go up. There it is, the AI Fiori sign. This is it. We've arrived. What an elegant entrance. I have a reservation. Wow, the interior is so beautiful. I can't wait to see what kind of food they serve. Now, let's enjoy a fun meal. And then